Would you like to know a different way to generate leads profitably? In this video, I'm going to show you a one lead generation strategy, or more like one twist that gave my client 5x returns in just 1 week. Hi, my name is Andres Zemmers and you're watching What Works in Marketing YouTube channel. This is the place where you can get proven tactics, strategies, and new exciting findings that work in digital marketing so you can finally grow your business and live the life you want. So I have a client for many years in a pro audio, more like a studio recording niche, where the audience is audio recording professionals, studio engineers, producers, and stuff like that. And for many years, we are doing lead generation campaigns. We are doing ebooks and stuff like that. And the thing is, five or 6 years ago, the campaigns were doing very, very well. Like from $1, we got like $7 or $8 out. And over the years, the campaigns started to underperform. And the company at that time were celebrating, 10-year anniversary or something like that. And we came up with the idea about giveaway funnel. The campaigns worked fine until 2021. And I remember that 2021, when the whole iOS 14 thing kicked in, I was, not really paying attention. I was like, this will impact all other marketers except me. But yeah, in that summer, especially in the autumn, we really see that all our lead generation campaigns, not ebooks, not giveaways, they were performing really weak. To be honest, the campaigns not even perform bad in a short term, but we actually calculated results for the whole year, starting from the moment when the lead became a lead. And even in this 360-day window, the leads from Facebook really didn't perform and the campaign was losing money. Actually, I was struggling. We actually redid the whole thing. We made a bunch of ebooks. We did a bunch of new giveaways. We actually tried quiz funnels, and we tried pre-sale article funnel, which is more like a blog post that then transitions to a sales pitch. And none of this worked profitably. And last year, I was really desperate because I knew that it was really tricky. So in 2022, I kind of tried to redo the whole thing, and I thought, what's missing here? So parallel to the whole lead generation strategy thing, we actually, in all the big campaigns, we were working with our partners with blogs and paid media related to recording niche. And we did a sales campaigns using email blasts and newsletters. So, and actually that was quite a big success. So I asked, what if we take the same lead magnets, like the same ebooks or the same giveaways, but instead of Facebook and Instagram ads, we are using the paid advertising and paid newsletters in our partnership channels. And I know that the lead gen cost, like the cost per lead, definitely would be higher because, Facebook is optimizing for cost per lead, but these giveaways and these e-blasts and these ebook funnels in our partner channels, they're more like, it's a bit like blind fly. It was actually a bit, more like a let's test it and see if it works out. And we did it. And actually it worked very, very well. So we did 5 things. First, we took basically the same giveaway funnel. We remade the whole landing page to make it like full of testimonials. We added a bunch of videos to make it like more persuasive. And we actually made the gift basket 10 times bigger. And instead of 1 winner, we mentioned that we would announce like 10 winners. Second step. In this second step, we actually did 2 things. First, for the whole month, we booked the partner campaigns and we used the same copy, the same e-blasts, the same landing page for all the campaigns for all the channels. So it was basically copy-paste. And the second, we tried to test the same concept, again, same copy, same everything. And we, instead of partner channels, we used the same old Instagram and Facebook ads to kind of see, like, A/B test what's working better. Step number 3. I wanted to keep the leads warm and engaged. So we had, after the lead signs up for the giveaway, we had 1, 2, 3, we had a 4 email sequence. The sequence was very, very simple. First email was welcome email. Second was about our USP, how our product is unique and different from everything else. Third was social proof. And as I remember, fourth was mentioning top selling products, more like best selling product catalog or something like that. So basically we warmed up the partner leads and the Facebook and Instagram leads. Everything was basically the same, but the lists were separate, so we can see the results separately. Step number 4, after these 4 weeks, we finally announced 10 winners. So it was actually one email where we announced 10 winners. And second thing, we sent 50% discount code to all our products, and we gave 4 or 5 days to use this discount code. So it was like quite of an urgency. And step number 5, for all these people who didn't win, we made a very short, like 3 or 4 email, more like a reminder sequence that reminded about the discount code, that reminded that the discount code will end in 4 days or 3 days in 2 days. And we reminded about like top selling products and kind of added more social proof. So it was very short, like sales sequence, so to speak. And results were very surprising. For Facebook ads, return of investment was actually below 100%. It was around 70 or 80%. So we were losing money here. However, for partner campaigns, the results were close to 500%, which was huge win for us. And what's interesting, that's only a short 5-day period. And actually in next month, we did another campaign for the whole list. And looking back, the ROI was not 5, it was very close to 10, which was huge. So next time when you're launching any kind of funnel or giveaway, and before you launch that Facebook or Instagram or Google ad, think maybe you have any kind of partner list available, maybe you have any kind of online media or blogs in your niche available, because these things might work way much better than just ads. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to optimize your marketing funnels and scale, make sure to watch my previous video. See ya!